starving to death. They would do anything just to have a morsel of food. I've heard of some of them just eating rocks to have it put on their belly to satisfy that hunger. And here we are, we've got, God has done laid the table out for us, and we'd rather sit at the house. I know I'm preaching to the choir, but we'd rather sit at the house instead of coming. We'd rather feast upon anything just to appease that hunger pain. We'd rather eat anything just to appease it. But bless God, God has done given it us all.
Amen.
He said even over here in verse 9, I think it is in the same chapter, he says, for in him dwelleth all the fullness of the Godhead bodily. Ye are complete in him, which is the head of all principalities and power. We have been filled with him today. When you're complete, you're already full. You don't need nothing else because he done did it all.
Yeah. Amen.
He has fulfilled the law.
Bless him, Lord.
Now leads on in till he said that he blotted out the handwriting of the ordinance that was against us, which was contrary to us, and took it out of the way. We no longer have to fall over that law. He said that he became the curse for us, and he hung upon a tree, because cursed is anyone that hangeth upon a tree. He took that curse, and this is where I'm going to get to the hammer and the board. You see, outside of every city, at the gate, there was a post, and upon that post, when there was any new law, it got down to that board. It got down to that board. You know, and everybody knew the law. Because at the gates of the city was the marketplaces. At the gates of the city was all that was beggars and all that was in need. They lined it up. They had their garments to show who they was. In order for them to see, they got to see that was built. But when the law was done away with, when it was abolished, they took it also and they nailed it to that board. They could see that the law was done away with. We no longer have to go that way anymore. But Jesus, he became that law. And the cross became that post.
Yeah.
And then when it was nailed by his hand and his other hand, and when his feet was nailed to that board, and that law was done away with, it was hung for the world to see. And you no longer are bound to that law anymore. But you have been set free. I'm glad that we got that freedom today.
Yes.
He blotted it out. In Numbers, it talks about the laws of jealousy. And the priest would take that curse and he would write it in a book. And then he would take a sponge. He would blot out that curse from that book into some water. And it was called bitter water. And a woman that caused the curse, she was made to drink it. And if she was guilty of it, he would bring confession. And if she was guilty of it, it would cause her stomach to swell and her thighs to rot. And that's because of the law. She was made to drink of the curse. But Jesus, see, he was that priest. And he's done wiped out that was against us.